Have you ever wondered why a variable works inside a function but suddenly disappears outside of it? To understand that, we need to learn two important ideas: scope and return values. Let's start with scope. A variable only exists inside the place where it was created. For example, if you create a variable inside a function, you can use it anywhere inside that function. But if you try to use it outside, Python gives you an error because that variable only belongs to that function. That's what we call its scope. Now let's talk about return values. Sometimes a function calculates something and we want to use that result somewhere else. That's exactly what return does. Instead of printing the answer, return sends the value back to whoever called the function. For example, a function can add two numbers, return the result, and then we can store it in a variable or use it in another calculation. So remember this: scope tells us where a variable can be used. Return sends a value back from a function. Once you understand these two ideas, writing functions becomes much easier. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to handle errors using try and except